And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. So I have about close to a pound of shrimp, peel, clean, tail cut off. Very simple. What I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little bit of lemon. I'm going to squeeze some lemon. Add some acidity. And some sea salt. Going to be relatively generous. I'm squeezing this salt. This is a good salt, by the way. See? From Iceland, but you can use any salt. I'm going to put some garlic powder. Not garlic salt, but garlic powder. This is actually garlic, just a little bit. And because I'm going to make them spicy, somewhat spicy, I'm going to add some cayenne ground pepper. Some cayenne ground pepper, just a little bit, just a little bit. And I'm going to mix this baby up. Mix it well. For the shrimp bowl, I'm going to have rice. This is 1 cup of rice. And for that 1 cup of rice, I have about 1 1/4 cup of water. High heat, put the water. Once the water gets hot, you see those little bubbles at the bottom. Add the rice. And here's the trick. In essence, get something like this, or a spoon or whatever. Put it, touching the top. In essence, I'm adding this much more water. You can add a couple drops of oil, just a couple drops. A few drops, 3 or 4 drops, Let it boil. Boiling, heat to medium, cover it, and you're going to let the water evaporate and let the steam cook. And you come back when the water is completely evaporated, okay? I will show you that. I have a pan. I like to use cast iron, but not today because I want to have a larger one to show you guys and ladies. Some extra virgin olive oil. Not a lot, just about a tablespoon. Let it heat up. And I had this preheating anyhow. See? And what I'm going to do, I'm going to start adding the shrimp. About 3-4 minutes later, remove these babies out, okay? You will notice that the rice, you see those little craters? What you're going to do, you're going to stir it so it doesn't burn. And it doesn't get sticky. And then what you're going to do after you stir it, you don't go crazy, cover up. Reduce the heat a couple notches below medium. Let it cook for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, another stir. Turn the heat off and get it out of the heat, okay? Scraping some of that shrimp stuff out, leaving the same oil. What I'm going to do, I got some vegetables here, pre-steamed. Carrots, cotton chops, corn, green beans. If you want the ones that you buy frozen or canned, that's up to you. Or you can pre-steam them, but they have to be soft and ready. And what I'm going to do, and this is not going to take a long time, is I'm going to put them here. For a few seconds, I'm going to mix it with the nice flavor of the shrimp and the spices that were in the shrimp. 10-15 seconds, that's it. And then very rapidly, you come and you add the rice. This rice already cooked, so it's not going to take a long time. What I'm doing is I'm mixing things up, okay? This is not fried rice. I just put in the vegetable, and this is going to take a few seconds, okay? So the rice is cooked, vegetables are already cooked. I just mixing it up to create this nice bowl. Few seconds, that's it. You're just using this to mix it. In fact, turn the heat off, because you don't want the rice to fry. This is not fried rice. And once it's mixed and nice, just remove it from the heat, okay? No fanfares. Just move that rice with the vegetables. See that nice colors. Greens, oranges, all those nice colors. Here comes the shrimp. Clearly you want something else. Let me add some cucumbers. Just a handful, right? If you like avocados, let's put a couple slices, perhaps one or two. Maybe a couple limes. Ain't that pretty? And if you want some fresh cilantro, not a lot of people like that. Why not, huh? It's the beauty.